What's up, Free Friday? Guess what? By popular demand, right? By popular request, we're back with another play-along jam session. So, first of all, Free Friday, YouTube, Jason Ricci, subscribe today, or over there. It's actually below the video. Like, comment. Your comments told me what I needed to do different on this time. What did y'all want? A more common harmonica. So I picked a C. Last time we had a B flat in the key of C. This time we're going to play a C in the key of G. If you don't know why I'm doing that, go check out last week's video on positions playing. No theory position playing. The other thing y'all wanted was something a little harder than last time. So I'm going to give you some harder licks, and I'm going to play a little bit. I'm going to play the lick a couple of times, and then it's going to be your time. And then I'm going to sit back, and I'm going to uncomfortably pretend like I can hear you. So first of all, let's just listen to the chords, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. So it's G, C, G, C. So the first lick's gonna be easy. Two draw, 4 blow. I'll play it again, and it's gonna be your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, meow, meow. All right, your turn. 2, 3, 4. Good. All right. So now we're gonna get a little harder. All right. Here we go. I'm just making it up. I have no idea even what lick I'm gonna play right here. Let's do it. All right. Your turn. Yeah! Now, if that was too easy for you, ask yourself the question, the same question I'm asking myself. How's my tone? Can I improve it? Can I put the vibrato on just the tail end of the note? Like this, like, right? Instead of doing the constant vibrato, like, right, which is cool. Can I do something like this? See how I added it at the end? Turning it on and off. Turning it on and off is cool. All right, next lick. All right, I got one. This one right here is in my, what is it called? Like, Cool Lick Endless Possibilities or something like that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, too much fun. I gotta do it one more time, and I'm gonna let you do it, all right? All All right, your turn. Are you ready? Okay, get ready. There's the tab. You got it. Here we go. 1, 2, meow, meow. Good. Nope, that wasn't right. You, right there. All right. It's so silly. Now you can slow it down, right? Remember I told you it's in another video. I'll put a link to the video below in the description box, okay? But you can slow it down like, right? Right? Cool, huh? All right, now, just for fun. Wait, I'm not going to do it yet. I was going to combine the first one and the second one. Or no, the first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, I got one more for you. I don't even know what it is, right? All right, here we go. I told you I was going to give you one more hard one. One hard one, okay. So now, this is one of my favorite licks. I feel like it's very common here in New Orleans. All right, here we go. Yeah. All right, are you ready? Are you ready to try it? It's gonna be hard. But you asked for a hard one, so I'm gonna give you a hard one. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. I told y'all I was gonna give you an example of playing the first example, then the second example, then the third example, then the fourth lick. Put them all together. what it is early in the morning. Free Friday, y'all. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica-related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors, in one way or another, also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs. You can get your name put on it, just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war Marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really, really care. Hohner Harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner Harmonica. I like the Marine band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible, incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. I had a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.